What's up, guys? What's Kate and K? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, the video you guys are about to see is a re-upload from a previous channel, LC Productions. Yeah, thing up here. We don't really post on that channel anymore, anyways. So, I figured why not take, because I have a bunch of old series on there. I did PC Building Simulator. I was playing BioShock Infinite. I think I was playing Sims. Yeah. But right now, I can't play BioShock or Sims because those are on my Xbox. And my Xbox is right here. But it don't work. It don't work. I can try and boot it up tonight. Hook it up. See if I can get it to work because it hasn't been turned on in a while. But last I checked, it didn't work. And that's what I play BioShock and Sims on. But I can play PC Building Simulator. That's on the computer. That's all good. Any games on the computer I can still play. So I'm probably gonna do all the PC building because I have a lot of parts from the previous videos, the previous series. Oh, little doggy in the back. All the previous videos that I had are posted on there, and there's like 6 of each series. So it's gonna take a lot of re-uploading, but I'm just letting you guys know, re-upload. So it might be old. You guys might hear me talking about some stuff from LC Productions. Like I said in LC Productions, if we got 100 subs, I was gonna dye my hair. I'm not doing that anymore. But yeah, that's basically everything I'm trying to tell you. Don't listen to anything about LC Productions on there. It's Kate and K now, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. And there's one more thing I forgot to say. Before I start this video, I'm using Wondershare Filmora, and what that does is, if you don't pay for it, which I'm not paying for it yet, I'm trying to get my fingers into like a good position to show you. It's like a big banner that comes right across the bottom of the screen like this, and that's their watermark. It's stupid, I know. Until I pay for Wondershare, all my videos are gonna be like that. Eventually, I will pay for it. I could pay for it right now if I wanted to, but I would rather wait until I get my money, so I have extra money after I pay for it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, last thing before the video starts, I just realized that I'm stupid because as you're watching this video, the banner is here. So yeah, I'm stupid. The banner's already here, and I'm trying to explain it to you guys, trying to show you where it is. You guys can see it because it's already there. Alright, well, enjoy the video now. I promise this is the last interruption.
What's going on, guys? It's LC Productions, and this is my brand new PC. I want to know how you guys like it. I actually paid like $4.3 million for this. It's a really nice PC. Just kidding. This is Welcome to PC Building Simulator. Yeah. It's a game that I found on Xbox, but I just transferred it with Microsoft account to get it on here, to play it. It's looks like a fun game. I want to learn how to build my own PC, so one day when I'm older and I'm living on my own and I want a PC, I don't have to buy a pre-built one. I can buy the parts to make my own. So yeah. And I seen some other big YouTubers play it, like Jacksepticeye, and it just looks fun. So let's get into it. New game. Let's build ourselves a new PC. I'm gonna build the fastest working PC in the world. It'll load with one click. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You got mail. I want to look at my room first. Click to open inventory. I have compressed air, thermal paste, USB drive. None of these. Nothing. How am I gonna make a PC? Oh, I have cables. That's it. How am I gonna make a PC out of just cables and compressed air and thermal paste and a USB drive? Wow. So, invisible desk. Another invisible desk. The mod zoo. Ooh, I got a package. I think the email is supposed to tell me that my package was delivered. Oh, I had to double click it like a real PC. Oh my god, that was so cool. Can I move it around? Oh no. Hey, thanks for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry it's not in a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well and there is no money in the bank account. The rent and energy bills come out monthly, so make sure you have enough money for them. I had a job on the go, which should help with the rent. See the email below. Remember to always use your thermal paste when putting it in the CPU. I almost always forget, and the PCs overheat. So I think you're all set up. It's your company's now, so run it. Oh, that's a lot. Had to borrow $15 to feel. You know how it is, Uncle Tim. Boom. Yo, I got a virus. Hi Tim, I hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual, and I think I might have clicked on something I shouldn't have. Do I have a virus? Oh, so I fix PCs. I don't just build PCs? Okay. Not plugged in. Okay. Alright. Let's plug it in. We got so many options. That one. That one. Oh my god, it looks so cool when it plugs in. HDMI. It's called the graphics card. It plugs it into the graphics card. Just call it plugging into the HDMI, dude. Connect to motherboard. Power. Sheen working, powering something. Insert USB drive. Now you need to put your USB drive in the back of the PC so you can install the virus scanner. Press 1 or the install button to go to your inventory and select the USB drive. It plugs into the USB slot in the back of the PC. Ready to boot. I need. Go back. I have my USB. What's this? Scan. Okay. Right here, USB drive. Boom. Now press P or the power button to turn on the PC. Click on the monitor to use the operating system of the machine. Where's the power button? Was that it on the front? Oh, boom. Whoa. Yeah, like I can't just click on it. Like I'm clicking on it and I had to like double click. And I can minimize it. Can I move it? Oh, I can't move it. Can I full screen it? Oh yeah. Lighting. I'm gonna mess around with the lighting. Installing. Imagine. Oh, I spent $15. Oh, that's because he took my money for gas. Oh, that's cool. It's like actual PC. I wonder what happens if I do that. Select all lights. Dang it, I don't have any lights. Wow. Virus scanner. I like this music though. As soon as I say I like the music, it cuts out. Oh, there we go. What happens if I actually hold delete? Nothing. Let's see, is there a virus? Dude, I can't believe this guy just sent in his PC just because of a virus. Just clean yourself, dude. Boom. Gotta take my virus back. Wait, it's not even. Oh my god, I didn't even know. Okay, I just grabbed it. Oh my god, I have I have a lot of PC slots. Collect your reward. Great. Now you need to collect your pay. Go to your email and hit collect. If only it was that easy. PC stats. Ooh. That's the PC I was just working on. That's the CPU. 750? That's a nice graphics card. I got $100. Boom. What do I do now? Am I gonna make my own PC now? What? This is the exact same as the other one. Whoa, it looks awful. What happened to this? What happened? Dude, it looks like this freaking graphics card is fried. There we go. Oh my god, dude. It was like fried. Dude, this music is bopping though. Unplug motherboard. Unplug HDD. Unplug motherboard. There we go. That sounds like some ominous music now. Plug. Move front case panel. Open drive bay. I wish my computer had this. My computer does not have that. It has a spot for it, but there's nothing there. I can't put discs in my computer. I wish I could. Be watching movies all the time, bro. Be watching Shrek too. What's next? I don't think that was what I was supposed to do. What? I'm so confused. What am I supposed to do? Oh, right here. Now what? There's nothing else I can do. $970, dude. Storage. Used. Oh, is this the one that I just... Yup, that's the one I took out. Alright. It looks fried, dude. Alright, what am I gonna do with this? Huh, what a nice game. I don't think I was supposed to do that. I don't think I was supposed to do that. Do I have to put it all back together now? What was the point of this? Nope, don't want to do that. That was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. Can't fit. Do I have to take this out? I'm so confused. I have no idea what to do. What am I supposed to do? Cable. I am so confused. It's not telling me what I'm supposed to do. Install. Let's put it. I'm just gonna put it back together and hook it up and check my email because I'm so confused. All right, I got this. I got it set up. Music. Let's listen to. Oh, can I actually change the music? Is this what this is playing? Volume. Oh my god, they're all like parts of a PC. Not this one. This doesn't even sound Christmassy, it just sounds mad classy and nice. Oh, now I hear it. Santa Claus is coming to town. Let's see what wallpapers we got. That's a good one. Email. You got any emails on doing anything? Nothing. What am I supposed to do? I'm so confused. Oh, what is that? What the heck? Dude! It's going through the thing. What the heck? Is there anything else I can do? I'm so confused. Attention, all done. You finished all the village jobs today. Leave through the door and come back tomorrow for more jobs. Oh, so when I'm done, I just leave and come back. Oh my god, I just wasted so much time, dude. It's literally 2 o'clock. I started recording at like 1:20. 10. What's today? It doesn't say what today's day is. Oh, is that today? Alright, we got 9 more days. End day. Alright. Go to work. Let's see. Let's check some emails. We got some emails. Let's go. Email. Hey, I need some more space available in the file. Please install a 500 gigabyte HDD. I'll bring it around first thing. Accept. Continue. Continue. Do I have to go shop online? HDD. Right here, this one. Add to cart. View cart. Alright. $10. Whatever, we'll make our money back. I'm in debt, but when it's done, we'll make our money back. Trust me. If I arrive, yep. Oh, I was about to say, I was like, where are they? 3 boxes for this little tiny thing. And yeah, I still don't have their PC. I'm gonna have to move this. Plug it back in over there. Cause apparently I wasn't supposed to move it. Oh, I gotta shut it off first. Boop. Boop 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 boop. I still can't unplug it. Incomplete case. I'm so confused. Can I not unplug it? Oh, okay. There we go. Place. I have to turn it on. D. There we go. Alright. Let's see what else we got. What other jobs we got? Email. Budget 50. Budget 0. Okay, look at me running about it. Look at the dirty. Could you give accept in transit? I don't know what that means. Broken graphics card. Holy crap! I'm losing $5 for doing this job. Why would I do that? Why? Alright, end of the day. Because, what else am I gonna do? Yeah, see, their PC's here now. 2 of them, both of them. Upgrade. Here's one I, because I already got the part for this. Boom. Work on this PC. Front off. Boom. 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 Alright. This off. Learning a lot already. Like, I'm looking at a PC right now and I'm like, I could work on this. This is a nice PC though. Looks like an Alienware or something. I gotta unplug it. Unplug. Unplug. Remove HDD. Install storage. Boom. Oh. There we go. Don't have to hook the cords back up. Here we go. PC parts. Dude, I'm about to just take the side panel and crap. I'm about to just take these side panels and use them for mine. Just swap them out. They'll never know. And we're good. This PC. Ship. Okay. I guess I only get to place it here. Oh my god, it looks awful. Man. Oh my. Oh, no wonder it's off. Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. PC can boot to OS. Clean out dust. Oh my god, dude. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, that was bad. Alright, we're good. No more spray. I need to plug it in. Dude, that was bad. I will never let my PC get that bad. Dude, there was even stuff on the outside. Stuff you could just easily wipe off and no. I understand it's a game, but like still. That's bad. Alright, let's see. This wallpaper. programs. Oh yeah, I have to insert the USB drive. Boom. Oh, they instantly popped up. Virus scanner. That's not how that would just work. There's not just gonna be like a little icon on your desktop that says add/remove programs. That's not gonna happen. You have to like actually download them. It's probably like files, I guess, maybe. Start scanning. Okay. It's gonna take 3 seconds. Nice, no threats. Exit. Put the case back on. Alrighty. Boom. Virus scan, discard. Collect. Alright. I did that. Right here. Go to PC. Oh, I have to turn it on? I didn't know that. That's stupid. Thought I could just install it and then go back. But no, I gotta freaking check it and crap. No OS found. Well, it's a good thing I did check. How do I fix it? I have no idea how to fix it. How do I fix it? How is the case incomplete? I'm so confused. I didn't put the shroud back on. I'm dumb. Imagine not putting the shroud back on. I hope this music's not copyright. Oh, it's in PC parts. What am I doing? Yo. If I get copyright claim next time I play this game and record, I'm just gonna mute it or something. Alright, there we go. Let's restart the computer. Off, on.